Welcome to KLAS first edition 2017.
The complexity of the main issues we face demand in every field creative thinking and the integration of different perceptions.
And in a certain way, scientists and artists, I think have to be crazy.
The often tremendous fascination, motivation and enthusiasm for what they do.
Interdisciplinarity in the science field is so important for fertilization of new ideas. And this, of course, includes then the arts who bring in new ideas.
That is why the project itself starts from this very Arthurian idea that science has to meet up with art in order to be effective in society.
By rethinking technology, mathematics and sciences, we might be able to open a brighter future.
You see what this is going, actually, because data modeling leads to more data modeling. Data collection leads to more data collection. And inquiry leads to more inquiry. And mathematical modeling leads to more mathematical modeling. And I'm just the enzyme who wants to actually get that enzyme going. And it's growing exponentially. The field is growing exponentially. And these guys cannot do anything to stop it. It will happen. Actually, my key point about this is it's already happening. It's not happening in the universities, but it's happening at Google, it's happening at Palantir, it's happening at Amazon, it's happening at Facebook. So you may ask, okay, what has that to do with art? We talk about putting biologic into culture, and now we talk about the slash, because I think there's a lot of ethics question going on my side too, but there's also on the other side a question is like, what happens to art if we're living in an exponentially growing world?
This last point precisely is addressing the potential of an epistemological turn, not to represent scientific concepts and what we know, but to experiment hands-on how we know what we know, while sharing the tools and increasingly convergent technologies with a critical mind.
Disciplines multiply like rabbits. They get more and more, and but they live in smaller and smaller hutches, and the walls around them are getting higher and higher, and that's too bad.
The most important thing on arts and science is freedom. Freedom in research, either artistic research or also in the sciences, is very important.